Hey friends, I'm just going to be streaming my regular work today because streaming helps me stay more productive. So yeah, I've got, oh, sorry. um, yeah, I've got a number of tasks to complete today. I'm going to be using Centered as usual for completing them. And yeah, let's see other updates. Oh yeah, I did get the hard drive for from my car that was involved in the accident. Uh, there are 8 cameras in the car, but only 4 of them record any or like are persisted when there's an event to save the video. And the accident was not persisted. So I do have video for like um, leading up to the accident, but like give it another 20 seconds and it would have gotten the accident. But also only 4 of the cameras are recording, and the one that I really needed to be able to see the whole, like everything that happened, that wasn't even saved either. So it's possible that the video was never saved, or maybe the police like accidentally moved the files rather than just copied them. I'll never know, basically, so I'll never be able to actually see the video of the accident, which is kind of a bummer, but like it's not a big deal. So anyway, that's all for updates. I'm going to just pull up the YouTube video here really quick. Oh, and if you're wondering like what the heck is he talking about, I was involved in a car accident, a pretty bad one. That's what you might be able to tell. Yeah, there, that's my broken collarbone. But yeah, and I just pulled up the YouTube and somebody is asking how I'm doing. I'm doing quite okay, I guess, is how I could say it. Yeah, recovery is slow. And you might notice like my head is tilted this way. That's because it's really hard to tilt it this way. So I'm trying to stretch those muscles out. It's super tight, but it is what it is. Anyway, I'm excited to be working today, and I'll share my screen. We can get started. So I'm starting my flow session, and the first thing I'm doing is adding sponsors to the homepage. So we've got a couple. Yeah. Hold on a second. That just seems super loud. Huh, weird. Yeah, we've got a couple of sponsors who asked us not to add them until they could announce it to their folks internally. But you may not have noticed this. We did add AWS and Microsoft on here. They weren't on there when we initially launched. I can't remember. I think Prisma was, but WorkOS is new also. So another thing, actually, I didn't put this on my list of things that I'm doing today, but I'm going to put it in linear. Email, mailing, list about conference. And that is mine, and that is this cycle. And is that like, do we have a marketing label? Marketing, sweet. And this is the Remix mailing list. I'm also going to email KCD mailing list about conferences. So that one's going to be like, here are all the conferences I'm speaking at. Why don't you come and see me in person, and it'll be awesome. Okay, sweet. So let me get those added to my list. Move to session. Ooh, cool. There's a hotkey for that. Okay, sweet. So then I will put those probably above Twitter. Okay, sweet. So here I can show you what my list is now. Adding sponsors to the homepage, handling email, and then I'm gonna do probably the Remix mailing list first. So yeah, so we're good. That's what we're doing today. So starting with the conference. Oh, that is the wrong repo. This is the Remix website is what I wanted. There we go. And get rid of that. And I actually made a PR for this, but they sent me a different logo that they wanted me to use. Let me download that. Their logo, of course, is better. Mine was just like grabbed off of something. There we go. And this is seasoned. And I always use TinyPNG to smallify these logos and everything. There we go. Let's just make sure things look nice. So nice to be able to start up your server and instantly be able to use it. The days of waiting forever are over, and I'm so glad that they're gone. That's so nice. And they did ask me to use this URL, so you notice that every time we refresh, the order of the sponsors is different, because we don't really care. Same with speakers. None of these people is more important than another, so we'll just randomly sort them, doing that in the loader. We craft beautiful apps with Remix. Wow, that's cool. Oh snap, this is sweet. I gotta send this to folks. Yeah, this is sweet. So awesome. Yeah, Omri asking me about Squoosh. I've never used Squoosh. I learned of TinyPNG before Squoosh was a thing, and it's hard for me to change that habit. But just for the fun of it, Squoosh. Let's take what TinyPNG gave me and drop it in here. Wow, okay, got all kinds of if I switch to AVIF, it gets bigger with that. Let's see, browser PNG gets way bigger. Yeah, I mean, I'm sure it's awesome and you could like customize it to be really amazing, but TinyPNG is just so easy, so I'm gonna stick with TinyPNG. Yeah, this is sweet. This is how you get your sponsees to share about you as a sponsor, is write a pitch page for them. Ah, that's awesome. Yeah. Yeah, this is sick. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, holy crap. I love this. This is sweet. Thanks, Seasoned, for being seasonedly awesome. Okay, cool. But we did get one other sponsor. Here, let me just, well, I'll reply to that as soon as it's deployed. Let me see where, yep, there it is. GetStream.io also is going to be sponsoring as a community level sponsor. Let's see, I'm guessing that is a SVG. Yep. So here's what we do with that. Let's think about this. This is probably the same SVG. Well, first let's try GetStream.io logo. We could do that. It's a little small. Yeah, this one's not what their logo is in their email, so I wonder how big the logo in the email is actually. Okay, fine, I guess. Yeah, that's too small. So we're gonna go with this approach then. And zoom, adding 1 pixel. Okay, that's interesting. It's all like weird looking, probably because I'm zooming. Let's not zoom. Let's try. Yeah, that's still looking all funny, isn't it? Huh, that's strange. Yeah, they are supposed to send a logo. Here, I need to pull something up that you all probably shouldn't see. It's probably fine, but yeah, probably better not to. We do stream.io. Let me just get all of this info in here in this spreadsheet of ours. Okay, cool. Now we've got this group. Okay. Hold on a second. They're gonna be a community partner. You know what? I think their logo that's in their email address is probably big enough, at least for now. It won't look like crazy good on Retina screens, but it'll look pretty good, and they can send us the logo later. So stream. Okay, and let's come over here. There they are. Stream. Yeah, what I have done is, like, for Stately and Media Jams, they had the logo and the name next to it, and I just like took that and put it on top so that it could be bigger in the square. But I will wait until they give me something, because their logo is just a little small, so this is better until I get something a little better. Okay, cool. I think we are good then with these logos. Add, stream, and update seasoned. Merge. Okay, just pull to make sure. Okay, sweet. So that is now deploying. Yeah, we don't have it set up yet where it'll pull straight from GitHub for some of this stuff. So we have to wait for a full deploy, which is kind of annoying, but it is what it is. Okay, sweet. So I'll send them an email. So this is not actually completed yet, because I need to send them an email once it's deployed, but we'll just go to handle email right now. Okay, and some of this stuff might be a little bit boring to watch because I'm not going to show you my email inbox. But some of it will be interesting. Yeah, so we've got RemixConf. I need to go through that, and actually, you know what? Go through RemixConf, talk proposals. Can there be multiple assignees to a single thing? No, there cannot. I'm gonna make one of these issues for everybody. Okay, cool. So I've got go through Remix Talk proposals, which means I can archive this email. Use my email kind of as a to-do list until I can, unless I actually need to make another to-do item, so I can archive it. Okay, sweet. I've got a Remix webinar coming up tomorrow. Yeah, sorry I can't show you all this stuff, but yeah, I'm just pulling up my calendar and stuff. I don't want to show all that to you. Okay, just gotta check the tech that they use. I'm logging into this quick meeting thing to make sure that this works. Okay, and let's use the right camera. And it's using the right thing. Do not press go live is what they told me, so I will not. I will not do that. Okay, cool. Well, it looks good to me. So we will. Yeah, let's see. Oh, one thing I probably should double check. Can I share my screen? Presentation. No. Screen sharing. There we go. Okay, cool. Oh, nice. All right, sweet. And sharing. We're good. Leave. How do I, is there like an official hang up button? Nope, I can't see one. So I'll just close the window. All right, let me just reply. Super, looking forward to this. I tested everything out and it seems to work fine. Thanks. Okay. All right, we've got a meetup that has been scheduled in South Africa, Johannesburg. So cool. Yeah, this is awesome. This one, it looks really cool, actually. They've really put a lot of effort into this. So, let me just make sure. I was waiting for it to get officially added to the Remix group here. And it's not yet. We should have a little dot there. So I'm just going to reply, let me know when you've accepted the invite to join the Remix Pro account group, and I'll tweet out about the meetup. Okay, sweet. We're still waiting for the deploy, probably. Remix Conf sponsor. Yep, okay, that's the same thing. I just got a random email that had no content. Okay, let's just archive that. Okay, let's just take a look really quick. This is a private repo, so I'm gonna pull it up over here. I don't think there's anything that matters. Yeah, it's fine. So let's just see where we're at on the deploy thing. Yeah, that bit takes a second. How long does it typically take? 12 minutes to deploy. Yeah, this is the drawback of deploying an actual server, is it takes a bit longer to deploy the server. But, I mean, you get a lot of benefits for that too. So, but yeah, we've got another couple minutes before I can actually finish my email. So let's see what else I've got in here. Yeah, I've got the remix examples in my email too. So let's go to centered, and we'll say email is not quite done. Yeah, and I'm gonna do the examples later. So let's work on the mailing list. Yeah, let's do that right now. Okay, so this bit is going to be, yeah, let's see. Let me just log in really quick, and once I get to the authoring bit, then I can pull it up for y'all to see. Oh. Man, my password is really long. One of these days I'll change it, and then I'll tell everybody what my crazy long password was, and that'll be fun. Okay, so we're gonna send a broadcast. We duplicate this, and then bring that over. Okay. Ugh. I've got 3.5 minutes before my first break. I'm going to appreciate that break. Okay, so instead of hold on to your hat, this one's going to be things are heating, or what are you doing in May? I like including the first name because I feel like it makes it feel more personal. Our title for this email is going to be something like let's have some fun in Utah. Is that like, what do I really want to communicate with this email? I want to make sure that people know the conference is happening. We did already send an email about that, but I want to like remind people. And I want to announce some of the sponsors that we've got. I think we didn't talk about them specifically. So I want to say, hey, we've got Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, like companies that you know. And for some people, we've got companies that, Vercel, Prisma. For some people, like, they know David, Khurshid, and Stately and stuff, and Centered and whatever. So, and of course, Egghead and NX, like these companies that people are familiar with and have like a positive outlook on. So I want to talk about the sponsors. We're going to talk about the activities. That's another big one. So that's kind of where Let's Have Some Fun in Utah is coming from, because I want to talk about some of these things that are going on. And there are actually some others that are not like technically officially organized yet, but maybe I should. Oh, sweet. Looks like it was deployed. Well, I was thinking. Here we go. Seasoned. Oh, this is so cool. And stream. All right, we're going to switch this up really quick. I've just got a couple minutes left, and I think I can finish this and this. Whoa. I need to turn that off because I never want it to open up like that. Okay, so where's my email? We'll get back to the sending an email thing in a second. Just looked at your remix promo page and it's awesome. Thanks for putting that together. Your logo is now on the site. Thanks for partnering with us. Look forward to working with you.
Take a break.
Aw, man. Let me just do this really quick. Send and snooze. I'll start my break over when I'm done. I'm just going to finish this really quick. Okay, sweet. So that takes care of that. Handle email. That's basically done except for review examples. So we're going to call that done because we'll handle the examples here in a little bit. Okay, so when I get back from my break, we're going to start on the mailing list email to talk about the activities and whatnot. And I'm going to update my break to 5 minutes and turn on the break stuff. We'll see you in 5 minutes. Bye. right, we're back. I think I took a little bit longer than 5 minutes break, but that's okay. Sometimes you need longer. Okay, so I first off want to fix this setting. Oh yeah, I need to, because I didn't want to have it automatically mark it as done. Maybe I should, but like sometimes it's in review. I don't want to open that linear though. In progress makes a lot of sense though. Okay, good. Feed. I need to figure out if there's a good way to have like private tasks. Although if I'm streaming, there's no privacy there, so there's that. But I don't always stream when I'm flowing, so anyway, yeah, let's do this emailing thing. Where is ConvertKit? Here we go. You know what? Part of me is thinking we should go to update the schedule. I'm going to do that first. I guess that's a linear task. I've been trying to use linear more. Update, remix, conf, activity, schedule. What is that hotkey for that? Yeah, Shift C. Cycle this one. Okay, cool. And then we can come down here. Come on, refresh. That's weird. There it is. Move that to my session. And this is what I'm doing now. How did handle Twitter get up there? That, I think this got misordered. And this should be done. Huh, that's weird. Okay, whatever. Yeah, so let's update this schedule. So this is tricky because we've got one activity that's actually going to happen not on May 26th. So how do we do that? Should we have like an activities page where we do all of the list all of these things? Maybe. But see, the thing is, I want people to come here and see all the activities. I don't want to just be like, go check out the activities. I want them to be like, so on May 25th, we're doing all these cool talks. And then on May 26th, look at all these activities we're going to do. Because most of these are going to be on the activity day. So here's what we're going to do. We'll put this on May 26th, but we'll have some words in here that say this isn't all just for post-conference. And some of these will no, let's do, maybe we should have like a little indicator. Yeah, actually, here's the possibilities. Yeah, let's do this. Note that that these don't all have to happen on the 26th. Feel free to get together with attendees anytime you all are in Utah. happy to facilitate you getting together anytime during the conference, around the conference time. There we go. Okay, and we're gonna That's interesting. Hold on a second. So here's my old website. And if I tab over to podcast. All right, so this is nested routing at work, my friends. You notice my focus is now on the body. Oh, actually no, where is what the devil? Yeah, anyway, my focus is it's on the body. With podcast, it seemed to go there for some reason, but maybe, I don't know why it's going over there. But the fact is, my focus changes as I'm navigating around the site, but like the header's not changing. But if you look at the Remix website, you're like, I want to go to workshops. Oh, now I want to go to sponsors. Oh, now I want to go to schedule. Oh, I want to go to the venue. The focus stays where it should be. Now, in this case, there's probably an argument to be made for auto-focusing right here, and maybe I should do that. But because this basically, the speakers and sponsors just are anchored links to that part of the page. But the fact is that the default behavior is right. Leave my focus alone. Nested routing, my friends. It's so good. Okay, anyway, we're looking at the schedule. May 26th. And these all have to happen. There we go. Okay, so we also have a soccer. Where's my Discord? Oh, I just got a message. Ryan just sent me this. Thank you for putting that together. That is definitely a frequently asked question. Yeah, this is great. Yeah. Yeah, cool. Yeah, this is great. Okay, so coming back to Discord, we have some channels for the conference. Where is Remix Conf? There it is. So we have this conf activities channel where we got different activities. And I added Creekside Park Disc Golf, but we haven't added soccer yet. So let's add soccer. That one doesn't really have a location yet though, so I need to figure out where we could play soccer. And I've looked into it a little bit. But let's get soccer in here. Soccer. Link. Let's fix it so I don't have to have a link, because we don't have a link or an address. But we do have a Discord link, and that's what I need right here. Yeah. Copy link. And walking distance, we don't know. Okay, so let's say how would we do this? I think this is how I'm going to do this. So we don't have a link, address, or walking distance. Oh, actually, no. Yeah. So, and we'll take those off. So a location is emoji name Discord description Discord link, and it's nothing else, or it has all of those. That's what the goal is. Yep, and that's what we get. So if I have any of those, then rats. That's not what I wanted. So I guess what I am gonna have to do then is make these. Yeah, I've done this before. Never. There we go. So if you have an address, then you can't have the. You must have all of them. Okay, cool. So then I come down here, and we need to address the situation where you don't have an address. So location dot name. That's going to be our unique thing now. Now this is interesting. I would expect description to be a string or never. Huh. Let's see what happens if I try to uppercase. Yeah, that should totally. Oh, sorry, not description. Description's fine. They're on all of them. It's the address. Yeah, there we go. Okay, good. I need to fix the description of soccer. Thank you for mentioning that. Soccer or football. Football. I need to get the football or football. I can't remember. Is it foot? Yeah, there it is. That's what I wanted. As it's properly called. So sorry. Is a blast, and we'd love no matter your skill level. Location here, and actually we can say these aren't locations, these are events or activities. That's what these are. Okay, cool. So, activities map, activity.name, emoji, link, name, Discord link, description, and then all of this. Activity dot address. If it has an address, then all the rest of those things should be the case. Otherwise, yeah, let's see. Location still being determined. Ideas welcome. Let's put that in parentheses. See what this does. Yeah, that's getting underlined because that's supposed to be the location. Okay, so we'll not want the activity link here. And actually,
You're now halfway through the allocated time.
here, let's do it this way. and I use Isoblast for disc golf, so. Is that how you spell cleats? Nope, cleats. Is that the right thing? Cleats, athletic shoes, yeah, okay. Bring your shin guards and cleats. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Here, and ideas welcome. We can put in. Let's put this in a span. Put this in a link to the Discord. We don't need the margin. Except I do want the underline. All right. Okay, so in addition to that, we also have another activity, is the Ogden Marathon. Here, let me just check a message from Ryan really quick.
Minutes remaining.
Okay. So we've got the Ogden Marathon. Yeah, okay. Coming up here, we're going to add another. This is Ogden Marathon week before. And we want a runner. The Saturday before the conference is the Ogden Marathon. So bring your running shoes and train up. And let's grab the Discord link. And this one, we do have a link and an address and all that stuff. No, wait, did it get it right? Hold on a second. Link, is that correct? Freaking A. Yeah, that's hilarious. Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna need an address. Google Maps, okay. Start and finish lines. There it is. add an address. Don't need too much more than just like, oh, okay, so this is somewhere in the world that it is. Is that correct? That will blow my mind if that's right. Let's go to Google Maps to get the zip code. Got some questions about things here in the YouTube chat. Yeah, my shoulder. So this shoulder's fine. I can do whatever. This shoulder, I could not do this. I can't really move it very well. Do kind of have to lift up my arm to get it into a typing position. But yeah, I can like move my fingers and my elbow. Like that joint works just fine. It's just like lifting my arm. So right now it's resting on my armrest. I guess that's what those are for. It's not painful to type, but it is painful to sit with my arm hanging for a long time. So yeah. Yeah, this is the D Event Center. Okay, cool. 84403. Close. Nice try. Okay, cool. The D Event Center. Nice. Or the Nordic Fun and Fitness Expo. That's what they call it. So we'll do the same thing. Okay. And then we also need a walking distance. And that will be false. Definitely false. Not walking distance. Okay, sweet. Okay, well, maybe it didn't like the... Yeah, let's do the D Event Center then. Five minutes left on this task. I'm gonna need maybe a little bit more. Okay, sweet. So let's try this again. Sweet. That's interesting that it updated to the Halloween half marathon. That is not what it is. Whatever. Yeah, so as far as healing is concerned, it takes 6 weeks, I guess, to like get most of my motion back, but like a year to be completely healed, something like that. So I won't be like lifting heavy things for a while with that arm. Okay, I'm actually thinking that we should shuffle the order of these now as well. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna add a loader so we can do that, which I think would be cool. Yeah. Was there anything else I wanted to do? Should I have some sort of indication that says whether or not this is something you can do the day after? Because this one is not. I think week before is fine. Okay, great. So now let's make a loader. And this is going to be... Oh no, break time. Oh, man. And then actually let's go borrow the shuffle thing I'm doing here.
Take a break.
Oh man, I should have given myself a little more time. All right, I'll finish this later. We'll take this break. See you in about 5 minutes. let's go again. Okay. Alright, so let's move these up. Okay, and we come down here. This is complaining because... Oh, right. I like using objects. Okay, cool. And then our... yeah, I'm starting to think maybe this should go into a YAML file, but it's fine. There we go. Got some nice variable shading going on, or shadowing. But sweet, now it's different every time. We are not giving preferential treatment to any activity. So that's cool. Okay, cool. I think that's great. I think we're set. So, part of me wants to talk about this on the homepage. Yeah, I feel like I kind of want another section that's like, check out the venue, or maybe activities. We're getting too many things up here. Yeah, schedule. Maybe maybe instead of the date,
5 minutes.
this could say what it is. Let's go to schedule. So this could be workshops, workshop day, conf day, activity day. And then just at the top of each one of these, where's our outlet? Yeah. We can render yeah, instead of that, let's do this. This is the name, route ID, and date, display date. Yeah, that's gonna be a string. Okay, so then for each one of these, I'm gonna add another 5 minutes on this, something like that. Name. Let's call this the slug actually. Display date. Thank you, Copilot. Display date. There we go. Display date. Great. So now, here we're gonna look for slug. Oops. Okay, there we go. And sweet. And then we've got our here, let's rename this first. Name and slug. And then here, this is our name. Slug, that's going to be our key. And we want the display date. And we'll say display date. See what that looks like. Probably not good, but yeah, we'll do. We've got an H1. Let's make this an H2. Give it a little bit of margin. There we go. Okay, that should not be an H2 now. So whoops. Oh, no, 25th. This can be an H3 though. No, let's not make it an H3. We'll just make it a strong. Strong. And block. There we go. Is that what this is? Yeah, it's just a strong. It's not block because there's nothing else on it, which is fine. Part of me says, why don't we, this is fun. You can click it every time, it'll reorder. It's kind of interesting because it reloads all the data when you do that. It's a feature, not a bug. Yeah, workshop day, conf day, activity day, and maybe in certain viewports we can show the date also. Span, display, let's probably just 2 is fine, and on I'll have it hidden, except on large, block, or inline. And let's not do that because we got the space there. Okay, cool. So then, boom, nice. You know what? Let's do this on the other side. And then we're actually gonna do, we'll do the same thing here. Yeah. Yeah, maybe it should just be. Yeah, we're gonna need the space. Okay. Cool. And then in each one of these, we actually don't need the name at the top anymore. And maybe the day is redundant. Workshops, sprints, activities. Let's see what. Oh. Oh, it's my son at the door. Let me make sure that he gets inside. Yeah, he did. My wife's upstairs, so. Okay. Conference activities. And then if we shrink this down, workshop, conference activities. Yeah. I prefer the name of what's going on over showing the date. Yeah. Okay, good. So now when people come to the schedule, they're like, activities? Ooh, that's fun. Okay. Sweet. So, I'm feeling good about this.
Just 2 minutes.
Just 2 minutes. Well, that's just enough time for what I wanted to do. So, update schedule a bit. Cool. And so then when that deploys, I can tweet about this and also share it in the email. Check out all these activities. Look at all those happy people running a race. Actually, let's go back to the actions, and that is going. Sweet. That's, there we go, deploy the app. And that'll take a moment to go. All right, let's go to centered and say we are done updating the activity schedule.
There you go.
There you go. Thank you, Noah. Okay, so email KCD Mulingus. No, I'm going to do the remix one first. Okay, what are you doing in May? Let's have some fun. Okay, so we're going to talk about activities, sponsors. Here, what's happening in May? What are you doing in May? Yeah. May. Remix conf activities are going to be lit. Yep, that's what we're going to go with. Let's see, how are we going to do this? How about this? We're going to get a nice screenshot here of the activities. So we're not going to render the description or the address. Well, yeah, we won't do that. We'll not render the Discord. We will just render the activity name without an underline. And then Zoom 3. Nope, just kidding. Let's just update the font size. Or how do you do? Is it text How do you do font size with Tailwind? I don't know. Maybe, is it fonts? I don't know how to do the font size with Tailwind. Somebody knows. Somebody just asked if I design my web apps. No, I don't. This one was put together by Chance. What is Chance's last name? I've forgotten. Chance the dev. This fine fellow put together this one. Yeah, I'm not a designer. I can't make things look good. So it's not text. No, there it is. Yeah, all right, there we go. Let's do this one is so weird. This song I don't like. All right, sweet. I kind of think I don't need a screenshot of this. Maybe I'll just copy paste this. And we'll, you know what? Let's bring all this stuff back. Yeah, we'll do that. See, now that I'll have the try this again. Something to copy. Thank you, Beto, for the font size. Text-LG or SM or whatever. Cool. Like, part of me wants to screenshot. What I had, but yeah, the other part of me is just like, why don't you just make it so that it's accessible? So location to be determined. And actually, you know what? Maybe I should link to the Discord. Yeah, that's what we should do. So let's do let's get rid of this. I think that this will probably be better to copy into the email. Okay, sweet. So, and Discord link. Yep. And we'll just do that's you know what? Let's do this. Let's also have the description. somebody just asked about managing state in a huge enterprise React app. I have the solution to this, and it's Remix. Okay, sweet. I think, yeah, we don't need to talk about walking distance or anything in there, so. You know what? Instead of linking to the Discord, here, let's revert all this stuff, put it all back to where it's supposed to be. And yeah, the only thing is the Discord will be hard because that's a SVG. Okay, so I'm gonna need to add a space after the emoji and a space after the thing. Okay, so just do that. And I wonder if I look at the HTML that is produced here. Oh, I can't. Well, that's stupid. Oh well, I don't really care that much. Yeah, okay, so we just need a space after the emoji and a space after the or the name. Yeah, instead of the Discord. Wonder if I could do like a this icon, convert it to a PNG. This never seems to work very well, but we'll try it anyway. Yeah, it doesn't need to be big. Except I want it to be...
That's halfway.
No, black is good. So let's see what happens if I say... let's put it right here. Wow. Sheesh. Got all kinds of stuff you can do on this image. That's fancy. Nope, can't do that. Oh, that's a bummer. This is what I get for... Here, let's switch back to the legacy editor. Ah. See, I don't want... it's so annoying.
Your break is coming up.
Already?
To come out
My
in front.
break. Ah. Okay. And so then, let's come back here. Boy, what garbage. Ah.
Take a break.
All right, I'm going to take a break. We'll come back and figure out this email. I really just want to put like the Discord icon right there, just like it is on the site. I don't think that's going to be the right approach. We'll find out when we come back. So I'll see you soon, about 5 minutes. Okay, we're back. Yeah, I just realized, that today's Wednesday, early out day. That's why my son got home so early. I was like, what? It's not lunchtime. Yes, it is not. I get out early today. So, yeah, I'm gonna leave off the Discord link. Yeah, I'd like people to jump on the Discord, but yeah, check it out. This is deployed now. Yeah, it's cool. Okay. Anyway. Yeah, it's just too much work. So we're back to the regular editor. Now this is all screwed up, but whatever. Yeah, so we're going to grab this from localhost because somebody mentioned that I had a typo in the axe throwing, and I fixed that now. So I want to get that. And I'll just manually add the spaces here. We're not copying anymore. We're done copying. Oh, and I just realized I need to look at this really quick. We've got all of our sponsors on the site. Huzzah. Okay. Okay, sweet. If you haven't checked out Remix Conf yet, here, I wonder, would it be interesting to stick the emoji like all over this thing? Probably not. Probably a stupid idea. That would waste my time. But it is always fun to have a big image. Okay, we're gonna do it. Where's the OG image? Or whoops. Twitter image. What? There it is. Okay, so I'll bring this over here. And this is probably going to take too long. I'm probably going to regret this. Yep, this is going to take too long. Okay, well, I'm still going to do it. Just because I think it'll be fun. So this will be our racing car. We've got our golf. Let's just paste a bunch of these. Okay. Bowling. This will be our puzzle. Yeah, I can use this in the tweet too. We'll do ski. Both of those side by side. Oh, no way. Can I edit this? That would be nuts if I could edit that. Because actually, I should change this to say like RemixConf activities May 26th. No, it's fine. It doesn't really matter that much. This is just to like grab people's attention. Okay, we got the penguin already. Running. Arcade, or no. Game controller, there it is. Painting. Popcorn.
5 minutes left.
5 minutes left? I'm gonna need more than 5. Let's do another 15. I mean, the default is 25 minutes on things, and I never change the default or change what that is because I don't know. Okay, cool. No way. I actually copy pasted like the exact number that I needed. Let's see. This might be a little too busy over there. I think this looks great, actually. Glad I did this. Okay, so this is our activities. Here, and actually, you know what? Let's do one more. That is our idea right there. So if you've got an idea, we are happy to take it for our own. Sweet. This looks awesome. Maybe I should make it the OG image for this page. Yeah. If I did that, then I would want it to say activities. It would be way cooler if I could have it generate based on all the emoji that I have for the locations, and it just like is generated new every time. But my goodness, that is more than I care to do right now. So yeah, we're gonna just be fine with this. I wonder though if we should just stick that in there just randomly. Nope, stupid. Okay, cool. So now we can come over here. We'll scooch this up. Okay, so then we can replace this image with a new one. Okay. Boom, that's fun. Caption, remix conf, promo, or, yeah. Promo image, or promo with activity emoji scattered throughout. Except I don't know how to spell throughout. There we go. We're hoping to help, or we're helping facilitate you getting together with your fellow RemixConf goers to have a good time around the conference. Here are a few of the ideas we've put together. Most of these will happen on May 26th, the post-conference activity day. But some, but don't feel limited. Yeah, that's probably good enough. Check this schedule for, well, I'll say that after.
There are now 10 minutes of allocated time remaining.
Check the official schedule site for details and how to coordinate with other attendees these activities. Okay, cool. And the official site schedule. And let's grab the ideas. Oh, huh. That's funny. Should have. This should be linked. Let us know. And this should be to the ideas channel. And okay. In addition to the fun activities, I wanted to tell you about the awesome sponsors we've got lined up for this conference. Okay. I'm gonna make this more well, yeah, we wanted to. Okay. Okay. Yeah, awesome sponsors. How are we gonna do this? We could just do like a list of their names. We'd show their logos. We could do like a special thing where the premiere is in the middle, surrounded by the gold, surrounded by the silver, surrounded by community. That could be cool. I could tweet that too. Yeah, maybe that's what I'll do. Yeah, let's just. See, I'm definitely no designer. There's definitely a better way to do what I'm trying to do here. Here's what we do. So we take this, we're gonna adjust the size to be like pretty big, I guess. And we'll resize it as needed. But then we'll take NX. Nope, that is not how that works. I wonder, actually, can I do this a lot easier if I go... I'm gonna move this over here so y'all can see what I'm doing. Copy image, paste, there we go. You know what? Let's save this. How do I say export, I guess, as a JPEG. So now I've got a white background. Okay. Copy, paste. Needs to be bigger. We'll resize it as needed later. Okay, so we've got NX in the middle. And I know there's a better way to do this, but yeah, I don't really care. Nope, that's not what I want. Copy image. So we'll put this over here. Let's zoom in a bit. Yeah, not all the images are exactly the... I think I resized some of them, but lots of them I was just like, no, we're just going to put this up. Okay. We'll get them all generally in the right spot. We'll fix it later. It doesn't have to be perfect. Holy AWS, Batman. All right, so this is Silver Sponsors. I thought I copied that. Copy image. I thought I copied image. Copy image. Holy Versailles, Batman. All right. Something like that.
There are now 2 minutes remaining.
2 minutes remaining. To send this email? Nah. Probably another 15. Probably less than or more than that, to be honest. Always seems to take me longer. Okay, cool. And then we've got them generally in the right spot. We'll fix it and make it look better here in a little bit. And we've got our community partners so far. Keep on pressing copy image or address. That's not going to do it. We're going to need to make all these people a lot tighter. Check the description for the software I'm using that's keeping track of my tasks. keep on pressing copy image address. Copy image. Whoops, that was a mistake. Okay, sweet. So now, how do we make this look not terrible? We're gonna pull these in nice and close. Okay. I think I want to switch these two. They'll look better with those hard corners. Okay. I mean, it doesn't look stellar necessarily, but it looks pretty good. So now, it occurs to me that it might be nice to have a different background color. Nope, just kidding. It will be very hard to make a different background color. Probably look really bad to do like a blue or something. So, nope, we're gonna stick with this. We are going to add some text at the top.
10 minutes
Says what
remaining.
this is. Remix Conf sponsors. Yeah. And actually, let's go with, that's an SVG, isn't it? And that will not look good on a white background. Wonder.
Your break is coming up.
My break already?
In,
Man,
come out
time
of flow.
flies. Okay, but you gotta take the breaks, my friends. Yeah, I think if we make that black, it'll look okay. There we go.
Take a break.
All right, I'll take a break. Just give me 1 second to take a screenshot of this. and see what it looks like in here. I actually kind of like the color. But let's go with let's see. Figma. We've got our colors. I'm gonna just go into my break a little bit and what? I think maybe I have a different account. Yeah, maybe I logged in with Google. Okay, yeah, so we're looking for, I think this is, maybe it's actually our logo. I think that's probably what we want, yeah. Or maybe it's the marketing design. Here we go, here are our colors. Whoa! Let's do this thing. Go for the blue. Yeah, I like that. That looks great. Okay, cool. So now, come here, grab that, grab this, and that. Cut that. Do. Give it a little bit of padding there. Maybe instead it should be NX at the top and they just come down. Yeah, that would probably be way cleaner. Once I added this up at the top, it just kind of... Rats. Okay, well, we'll take the break and we'll come back. Oh, shoot. Well, I just lost it. Dang it. Now if I open it, I cannot move anything. It's all just pixels. Dang it. This is probably what we're going to stick with then. All right, going to take my break. And then when we come back, I'll finish the email. So, see you in 5 minutes. When I can find my break thing. There we go. Break time. Okay, let's get back into this. Whew. So, yeah, too bad I messed up this, but oh well, it's fine. It's like not a big deal. So let's drag this over. Will that work? Oh my gosh, it does. Hooray. Let's do Remix Conf sponsors. And now you want your alt text to be really helpful. Why the heck did it get so small? There we go. Okay, so Remix Conf sponsors, NX, Fly. Okay, well, sponsors with sponsor logos sprinkled throughout or below. And this will just go to our conf sponsors. And yeah, it's good. Let's have this have a little border radius. Okay, cool. Remix Conf sponsors are amazing. Okay, sweet. Stream is kind of hanging out there all on their lonesome, aren't they? Should have pulled them in a little bit. Oh well. Can't get it perfect. It's fine. Okay. Are some logos on there you probably recognize, and some you may not. We're really excited about all the sponsors we have for the conference, and we're excited for you to meet them as well. We do still have some openings. We do still have some openings for this, community partner sponsorships. So if you interested in sponsoring us, shoot us an email at conf@remix.run. We are still, we've received dozens of, how many have we received? Let me double check. I know it's dozens, but maybe I can say a different number or something. Let's see. Oh, my back. That's part of the worst part of this broken collarbone is not being able to move very well, and so I can't like stretch or crack my back. I'm very stiff and it's the worst. Okay, let me see how many responses we've got to this. We've got 35, so that is dozens. Probably dozens is the best term for it. Talk proposals from folks who are eager to speak at the conference in addition to our lineup so far. Run conf speakers. If you'd like to speak, please do submit a proposal before the deadline at the end of this month. Remix Run Conf Speakers U. Why is this? Oh, it works. You are wrong. It's possible. Okay, fine. Okay. There was another thing. What else did I want to talk about? We could talk about the workshops, I suppose. Keep in mind also that we do have 2 workshops going on the day before the conference. Remix is especially well suited for team projects. So if you so bring your whole team along to learn Remix fundamentals or advanced Remix concepts. Yeah, it's the same page. Okay. Oh yeah, I wanted to talk about the tickets. So far, tickets are going fast. They are. Tito dashboard. Let's just take a look at what the current status of that is. Sorry, I'm not gonna show you that. Man, I wish everybody's server rendered everything. Having things pop around all over the place. It's kind of annoying. 2 minutes. I think I can do this in 5.
5 minutes left.
Okay. Attendees. Yeah, so we're going quick. We're planning. Grab yours. Before the early bird discount is over. Does this say when the early bird discount is over? Yeah. At the end of the month. We're really looking forward to seeing you at RemixConf. Okay. Got. Okay, cool. So, RemixConf activity is going to be lit. If you haven't checked it out, check it out. It's awesome. This should probably link to something. Oh, it does. And, oh, actually, you know what? Let's have it link to the activities page. And this links to the sponsors. Oh, that's stupid. How about Hourglass? I think that's the, yeah. Chicken in the egg. Okay, cool. Whoops. Continue.
There is now 1 minute remaining.
1 minute remaining. I think I can do this. Yep, ready to rock and roll. Here it goes. Send broadcast. Off it goes. I hope I didn't forget anything. I feel like I often do. Okay, sweet. So now I'm going to go to TweetDeck, and we will tweet the sponsors from the Remix account. All right, let's do the activities first. Remix conf activities.
Do you really need to check Twitter right now?
Yeah, I do. Let's check that off. And I'm going to...
Noah here. I'm proud of you for getting your work done.
Thanks, Noah.
Keep it up.
Are going to be lit. We want fire lit.
Do you really need to check Twitter right now?
Yeah, I do. It is not distracting me right now. Remix comp promo showing. Emoji representing various activities. Should have put the runner on the right side so he's not running away from Remix Conf. That was a noob move. Sweet, too easy to please me. Got the email. Nice. Hope it is good. Alright. Grab your tickets now. Before early bird discount is over. Come on, there we go. Sweet, there we go. Remix Conf. Oh, Remix already retweeted that. Nice. But this is me retweeting it. Okay, and let's also have Remix tweet out the sponsors. Remix Conf sponsors showing a bunch of sponsors scattered throughout. Yep, that's what we're doing. We've got a growing list of awesome sponsors for, oh, you know what? I want to be able to tag these companies and stuff in this tweet, so we can't do that here. Let's see if I can do it on here. Yeah, there we go. Sweet. We've got some sweet, a growing list of Remix Conf sponsors who are all excited to meet you in Salt Lake City on May or yeah, in May. Check them out here. And then tag people. NX dev. Yep, there we go. I need to have these up. Egghead. Planet scale. Meta. Fly. Prisma. Applitools. Vercel. Can't be tagged, bummer. Seasoned. Okay, Michael just tweeted about them. Seasoned, okay. Twitter, or here, seasoned. See if we can find them on Twitter somewhere. Or actually, you know what? The founder, I bet I could find on Twitter, and he will probably link to their Twitter. If such a Twitter exists. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna need to take a break here before too long. Well. Okay, seasoned, I guess, is not on Twitter, maybe? Community? nontechnicalfounders.com. Okay, well, not finding them on Twitter. That's okay. Let's see, who else we got? Let me make sure I'm getting all the, because we won't have room for everybody. So let's make sure we've got all the gold. We got the Premiere, AWS and Applitools, and WorkOS. AWS, Applitools, WorkOS. How many is that? 1, 2, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think that's as many as you can do, which I think is silly. This is actually a fun image. I'm glad I made that. Let's just see if we can do any more. Sanity. 10. Okay, well. Sure, Sanity was the one I chose. Now I feel bad. Maybe I just won't include the community partners. Seasoned, why don't you have a Twitter? That would have made this so much easier. Or Vercel, why don't you let me mention you? Whatever, we're gonna just do that. Okay, here we go. Yep. I guess I should add, if you are interested in sponsoring, learn how. We do still have community partner levels available, or level slots available. Learn more. Join the sponsors. Okay, cool. So now, retweet that. Should have made a task for this because I have not been mailing my mailing list. Okay. How much time before my break? 5 minutes? Can I do that? Mail my mailing list in 5 minutes? Probably not. See how many unsubscribes? 11. That's not too bad. Yeah, a lot of people looking at different locations and stuff. Sweet. Yeah, we had a ton of things in there. The grid, is that the first one? Yeah, the grid was the first one, so that makes sense. Yeah. Yeah, this is gonna be sweet. Wait, what? I think the emoji in the quick start. I'm not sure. Okay. Great. Well, let's see here. I guess I need to sign out of this and sign into mine. I'm gonna move this over though, because I think it does show email addresses when I first log in. And I don't think people would appreciate it if I shared their emails in a live stream. Okay, new broadcast. Here we go. Let's come back over here. Okay, let me just check this really quick also. Sorry, now I'm distracted by my email. Oh, sweet, I got a sponsorship request. Sorry, I'm kind of doing my email right now, which is not what my task is, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Because I do what I want. Except I probably should just do my task thing. Honestly, I don't have time to do the email anyway, so, and I'm gonna take a extended lunch break, so we're almost done here. Okay. Sweet. That's as much as I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take my break early. So here's how this is gonna go down. I'm gonna take a break for lunch, and I'm not going to leave the stream running while I'm doing that. So I will probably stream more this afternoon. I'm gonna work on sending an email to my list, and yeah, I got plenty of other things to do, but it's cool that I got that done. Yeah, then I've got more things to do. You know what? In fact, there was also, yeah, I need to write a blog post.
Your break is coming up. Begin to come out of flow.
And so I'm gonna add that to my cycle. This is, and that should, where is write a blog post? Write a blog post, write a blog post. There it is.
Take a break.
Take a break. And that's gonna, what the devil? Ah, freak. I did this. This is done. Oh, you know what? Because it's not being marked as done. That's my guess, is it gets updated. Yeah, that's what's going on. Okay, so I just need to mark this as done. And mark this as done. In here. Yeah, okay. Add sponsors to the homepage. That's done. Yeah, that's interesting. That's what's going on. Yeah, they've got some bugs they need to work out. This is a new feature, so yeah. Okay, cool. That is good. I will return and probably stream some more this afternoon. Thanks everybody for hanging out, and we'll see you this afternoon. Bye.